Hi, welcome back. So, as mentioned in the last video, we are going to cover the operations in part one. That includes arithmetic operations, and we are also going to cover comparison operations in this video. If you generally talk about Python, so there are multiple kind of operations that you can perform on variables that are listed here. That includes arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, and identity operators. So, the most common one are these two. Okay, moreover, I want to mention one thing that from now onwards, every video is going to have its accompanied Google Colab notebook attached to it. So you can find this notebook link attached to the description of the video. Okay, so in the first block, I'm assigning the value of A to 10 and B to 20. So for performing addition, there's simply a plus operator. So if you add A plus B, it's going to give you 30. For subtraction, we have this minus operator. So 10 minus 20 is going to give you the minus 10. For multiplication, we have the star operator. So 10 times 20 is going to give you 200. Okay, now the interesting part comes here, division. So if you talk about the division, you have this backslash symbol. Uh, what I have done here is I'm printing that what it's going to return you. So if you write B by A, it's going to give you 2.0, not 2. So that means you have two integers, you made their division, it's going to return you floating value. It's automatically going to understand what is the returning variable type. It's not depending upon the type of the inputs. So this is different than the other languages like C++. Okay. For Modulus, it's similar to other languages like C++. So 20 mod 10 is going to give you 0 because there's no reminder, right? Okay. For raised to the power, you have two star symbols. Okay. If you use these two star symbols, that means 10 raised to the, raised to the power 20, right? So it's going to give you this value. Okay, so now let's move towards comparison operators. So currently we are doing a comparison between A and B. So first we are checking, this thing is checking that whether A is equals to B or not. So this is a condition. So the return would be a bool can be equal to true or false, right? So therefore I have printed the type of it that's telling you that it's bool. Moving forward, for not equal to, we have the exclamation mark equals to sign. This is also similar to C++ in previous iterations of Python. Python 2, we could use this symbol as well. Not currently working right now. Okay, so it's again a condition which is true because 10 is not equal to 20. This is a greater than symbol. So currently we are checking that whether 10 is greater than 20 or not. So that's not true. That's false. We are getting false. The opposite is this symbol. That means as then we are checking that whether A is less than B. Yes, that's true because 10 is less than 20. Greater than equals to symbol is this.